second ship attacked by Yemen's Houthi rebels has sunk in the Red Sea. Now, this ship, the Tudor, was attacked about a week ago by what appears to have been a bomb-carrying drone boat launched by the Houthis that rammed into the back of the vessel and exploded. This attack is suspected to have killed at least one sailor on board. That raises the death toll from these Houthi attacks that have been going on since November to at least 4 people being killed, and 2 ships have sunk, and we have seen just near daily attacks in the Red Sea, the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, and the Gulf of Aden, which has disrupted shipping through that vital corridor. Now, as of right now, the U.S. Navy is still there with an aircraft carrier and other destroyers. The Navy says they're facing their most intense combat since World War II in trying to stop these Houthi attacks. The Houthis insist these assaults will continue as long as Israel's war on Hamas in the Gaza Strip goes on. And with that war going on and the Houthis continuing their fire, all this means is that shipping remains at risk in that Red Sea corridor, and that these attacks are likely to continue.
I came to a revelation at some point in my career that one of the things that all humans require is to be loved and valued, right? So I shouldn't be afraid as a leader to try to love and value everybody, and also to expect other leaders that I'm responsible for to love and value their sailors. I've only seen it provide positive benefits. It's the same thing that would work in any organization, right? Do you have to yell sometimes? Yes, you do. If there's a safety issue, you better raise your voice, right? So that goes without saying. But I want people to be loved and valued. I want everyone to have mission and purpose, to feel like they're part of something greater than themselves. That motivates people, in my opinion, and it leads to success.